There is an example about a professor in Harvard. He divided his students in two groups. Then he gave each group a different photo to observe for 10 seconds. The first group had a photo in which was a face of a young lady with beautiful nose and eyes. In the second photo, which was presented to the second group, was the same lady but with some modifications to make her nose and eyes look very ugly and her face would look very old. The professor took back the photos and showed in front of all students a third photo, which was basically a combination of the two photos he presented separately. Every student thought that the third photo was exactly the photo they had in the hand before. Two groups started arguing. The first group could see a young lady in the picture because their brain would condition them to do so. But the second group would only see an old grandma face for the same reason. This experiment proves that our brain can condition us to see something in a certain way that others cannot understand. We can both be right in the argument, just like the two groups of students, but neither would understand the other unless a deep communication. If 10 seconds could convince a bunch of people to see something in a certain way, imagine what 10 years could do. What about the conditioning of a lifetime? The influences in our lives: family, school, church, work environment, friends, associates, and current social paradigms such as the personality ethic. We see the world, not as it is, but as we are conditioned to see it. Our paradigms are the way we see the world right now based on things that influenced us in the past to make us see that way or have that exact belief.